Hello, Attorney Nouvelle Gonzalo here with Gonzalo Law, offices Gainesville, Florida, Miami, Florida, and Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, I just want to take a moment and talk with you briefly about having wisdom in your business deal. If you're selling or buying a company or a merger or acquisition, whatever it might be, but having wisdom in that space. And when I say having wisdom, I'm referring to using not only your logical thinking, which is your education or training, but also your heart space and your intuition about the deal. When those things can come together, you are powerful when you are using your wisdom in a deal. And this is so important, and this is what I use as legal counsel, not only book knowledge or training from law school or experience on past deals over the last decade plus, but also my heart space. Does something seem like there's something off here? And you might say, okay, but what types of things, what types of red flags? Company financials, potential lawsuits, things that were that come up in the process. And then ask yourself, are these things recent? Were they resolved? Were they disclosed to you? Or did you have to find out on your own? And there seems like there may be some lack of transparency there between one of the other parties. So keep that in mind. And when you do see those things, you have to think about, what do you want to do about them? Are you going to say, forget it, it's the past, let's go, let's do the deal? Or are you going to say, nope, this is not perfect enough, you need to, I want to just not do the deal at all? No way. You have to really balance both your logical analysis and your heart space and realizing, does something seem off here that's too much? Is there a pattern or a trend of negative activity? Is this just a splash in the pan activity that's not the norm for this company? So paying attention to all of those things, and also looking at what you can bring as a potential buyer to the table and what you want to add to the deal. Okay, so that's just a little bit about having wisdom in the deal. That's what I as legal counsel bring as well. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to myself or our team. We'd love to work with you. Take care and have an excellent rest of your day. Bye-bye.